Hello, hello, beautiful babes. Your girl, Sweet Angel. Welcome back to Sugar Fingers. Y'all, today we're going to be doing a DIY on how to remove a gel nail polish, jewels from the nails, acrylic from the nails, using an electric drill. The electric drill that I'll be using, I will have it listed in the description box for you. So as you can see, I do have a jewel that I removed by snipping it off, but today I'm going to show you how to remove it if you have a drill on hand, or if you want to purchase a drill, I'll show you how you can easily take off your jewels. Now this is the hand drill that I have here. I again will have it listed in the description box, or one that's similar to this one. This one is really popular, JD 700. It is amazing. We've had it for some time now, so we use it really like every time we do our nails. Makes life so easy. You can use it using their hand, or you can also use the foot control, which we don't really use that a lot, so it's not available. And here are the drill bits that there's a few that came with it, but we've purchased many, along with this easy little case where we have some housed, which we actually need another one of these holders because, as you can see, we have more drill bits. So this is the one that I'm going to start off with using. Now, I am not a nail professional. This is a DIY situation. So this is the one that I use to snip that little jewel off of there. It is very rigid as far as how it feels, so it just easily takes the jewels right off. So here I'm getting started, getting ready to prepare everything, and so now we're ready. I'm going to put it on a midway speed to just go in on the sides, kind of raising up the glue that's holding the jewel on. Fortunately, I just have one that I have to take off, which makes life easy, but if you have tons of them, especially the smaller ones, this one does an amazing job at taking it off. So now I'm just going to speed it up a little bit so we can easily buff this little jewel off of here, and that's basically all this is doing. Sometimes it'll pop right off quickly, but if it's really large, it sometimes takes a minute. But as you can see, that jewel has been withered down to a little of nothing. I wanted to just bring it in just a little bit closer so that you can see. And now, since I do have on gel nail polish, I'm going ahead and removing it as well. Now, I love to use the drill and taking off my acrylic, my gel nail polish, because it makes it so quick and easy. So right now I'm going to switch to a ceramic drill bit, and this one has a rounded edge, and that way, for those of you who are new to using a drill, you won't be snipping those cuticles, girl, because have you ever gotten a cuticle cut? Ooh, honey. So now I'm just taking my little acetone bottle, and I use this just to prop my hand up, just to get it closer to me so I can actually see what I'm doing. Now, I'm not going to take off all of my acrylic, which is what you see right there. That is the acrylic underneath there, but I'm just going to buff it down so that Maddie can do my fill-in. And if you want to see the fill-in, please make sure you go ahead and put a like on this video. I'll try to film it. We don't have quite all of the whole setup so that you can visibly see with both of us sitting there. So now you can see I've taken off the jewel. I've also taken off my gel nail polish. And if I had kept going with the actual drill, I would have taken off my acrylic as well. But I went ahead and stopped there because all I need is just to fill in. Now I'm using my little e.l.f. brush to wipe away all of the dust. And you can make sure that you pick up you a dusting brush as well. I'll have one listed below in the description box, as well as the one I'm using from e.l.f. And that is it, beautiful babes. Simple and easy. I'm your girl, Sweet Angel, signing out for now. Thanks again for stopping by Sugar Fingers, and I will see y'all on the next one. Again, like, comment, and subscribe. And please share the channel with everyone you know. Come hang out with us right here at Sugar Fingers. Bye.